and front derailleur setups. The video includes the following chapters: 1. Rear derailleur adjustment. 2. Setting zero position of front derailleur, rear derailleur adjustment. The only tool used is a 2mm Allen key. Once the rear derailleur is connected to the controls and the front derailleur is in position, the rear derailleur setup is different to that used for EPS version 1 to 4. Move the rear derailleur onto the 6th sprocket. Press the control mode buttons at the same time for 5 seconds until the LEDs light up pink. Press the mode button on the right control within 1 second. The control LED lights up pink for a moment, while the rear derailleur LED lights up solid pink. Center the rear derailleur on the sprocket using the right-hand control levers. When you have positioned the rear derailleur correctly, press the control mode buttons quickly and at the same time. The control LED lights up blue for a moment, while the rear derailleur LED starts to flash blue slowly. Move the rear derailleur on the next sprocket to the largest one. Move the rear derailleur onto the largest sprocket, slowly turning the cranks to reduce the risk of the chain going beyond the last sprocket. With a 2mm Allen key, adjust the rear derailleur low gear limit screw. Also with a 2mm Allen key, adjust the top jockey wheel position. Adjust the distance between the upper jockey wheel teeth and the largest sprocket teeth to 5 to 7 mm. Move the rear derailleur onto the smallest sprocket. Check that the chain does not come into contact with the chainstay and that the position of the jockey cage is not at the travel limit. If necessary, additionally increase the distance of the upper jockey wheel away from the sprockets. Setting zero position of the front derailleur. Place the rear derailleur on the largest sprocket and front derailleur on the smallest chainring. Press the control mode buttons at the same time for 5 seconds until the LEDs light up pink. Press the mode button on the left control within 1 second. The control LED lights up pink for a moment, while the front derailleur LED lights up solid pink. Using the left-hand lever controls, position the inner cage plate 0.5 mm from the chain. When you have positioned the front derailleur correctly, press the control mode buttons quickly and at the same time. The front derailleur LED starts to flash again at low frequency blue. Now place the rear derailleur on the smallest sprocket and front derailleur on the largest chainring. Press the front derailleur mode button for approximately 7 seconds. Again, using the left-hand lever controls, position the outer cage plates 0.5 to 0.7 mm from the chain. When you have positioned the front derailleur correctly, quickly press the front derailleur mode button. The LED starts to flash again at low frequency blue. The last phase fine-tunes the front derailleur adjustment as with EPS version 1 to 4. It is possible to adjust the position of the front derailleur on the smallest or largest chainring without affecting its position on the other chainring.